What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to use polynomial multiplication. First example is 3 times 4 minus root 3. The answer is 3 times 4 minus 3 times root 3, which is going to be 12 minus 3 root 3. Next example, we have 4 times 6 minus root 11. Answer is gonna be 4 times 6, 24, minus 4 times root 11. Next one is 5 times 3 minus root 7. Answer is 5 times 3, 15, minus 5 times root 7. Next example, we have root 2 times 4 minus root 6. Answer is root 2 times 4 minus root 2 times root 6. So it's going to be 4 root 2 minus root 12. And root 12 is root 4 times root 3. That makes it 4 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Next one is root 3 times 4 minus root 15. Answer is it's going to be root 3 times 4, which is 4 root 3, minus root 3 times root 15, which is 45. And 45, we need to take a perfect square out of it, so which is 9 times 5. So it will be 4 root 3 minus 3 root 5. Next example, 7 times negative 2 minus root 11. Answer is 7 times negative 2 is going to be negative 14 minus 7 root 11. Next example, root 7 times 5 plus 2 root 7. Answer is 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7 times root 7. So it would be 5 root 7 plus root 7 times root 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.